the path to financial freedom. Master money, saving, investing in business. Lecture 10. How to save money without feeling deprived. Module 3. The science of saving. When people hear the word saving, they often think of sacrifice, giving up their favorite coffee, skipping vacations, or cutting out everything fun. But saving money doesn't have to mean living a boring, restrictive life. The secret is spending smarter, not stopping spending. By making small, intentional changes, you can grow your savings effortlessly while still enjoying life. It's all about balance. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking that saving money means cutting out everything enjoyable. They believe that to build wealth, they have to stop going out with friends, cancel every subscription, and never treat themselves. But the truth is, saving isn't about suffering, it's about making better financial choices. Instead of focusing on what you're giving up, focus on what you're gaining: financial security, freedom, and peace of mind. The real trick is reducing wasteful spending, the things you don't actually need or truly value, while still enjoying the things that bring you happiness. When you shift your mindset, saving becomes a tool for a better life, not a punishment. So, how do you save money without feeling deprived? Here are a few easy strategies. Prioritize needs over wants. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a necessity or just a passing desire? Delaying impulse purchases can save you hundreds each month. Find cheaper alternatives. Love going out to eat? Try cooking your favorite meals at home. Love shopping? Look for discounts, second-hand options, or wait for sales. You can still have the same experiences, just at a lower cost. Use automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. When you pay yourself first, you won't even notice the money leaving, but over time, it will grow into something significant. Take advantage of discounts and cashback. Use rewards programs, cashback apps, and special offers to save money on things you are going to buy anyway. These small savings add up over time. Did you know? Sarah used to buy things on impulse: clothes, gadgets, and trendy accessories. But at the end of each month, she wondered where her money went. Then she discovered the 30-day rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 30 days. If you still want it, go ahead and buy it. She tried it with a $200 handbag. A month later, she realized she didn't even want it anymore. In just 3 months, she saved over $500 without feeling deprived. The takeaway: delaying purchases helps you save more and spend smarter. Saving money doesn't have to feel like a restriction. Instead, think of it as buying your future freedom. Every dollar saved today brings you one step closer to living life on your own terms, whether that means traveling, starting a business, or retiring early. Celebrate small wins. Even saving an extra $20 this week is progress. Acknowledge your achievements to stay motivated. Focus on what truly brings you happiness. Studies show that material things provide only short-term joy, while experiences and financial security bring long-term satisfaction. Turn saving into a challenge or game. Set goals, track your progress, and reward yourself when you hit savings milestones. When saving feels fun, it becomes a lifelong habit. At its core, saving money doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow this simple formula. Spend intentionally, not impulsively. Before buying something, pause and ask, do I really need this? Does it add value to my life? Save first, spend later. Always put money into savings before spending on non-essentials. Treat savings like a bill that must be paid every month. Small, consistent habits lead to big financial wins. Even saving just $5 a day adds up to nearly $2,000 a year. Small steps today create financial success in the future. With these strategies, you'll be able to save money effortlessly without feeling like you're giving up the things you love. It's not about restriction. It's about smarter choices. Start today, and your future self will thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, show some support by hitting like, tapping the bell, and subscribing so you never miss our latest content on financial freedom and wealth growth. Let's grow together. Your one click makes a big impact and helps us create even more for you.